Hey everyone, Chip Chocolate here. No, it's not race day. We are still working on race day, but we did work on some content and we wanted to share it with you guys and get your input about a few ideas that we have thought about over the past week. The first idea we worked on this week was installing a few updates to our track. Like using this table we found on Facebook Marketplace for free to hold our 6-lane speedway at a beautiful sloping angle so that we can record the trucks as they come down the track at high speed into the new extended finish line with added padding and protection. Let's see how these trucks handle the track. Northern Nightmare takes the first win. Let's see how Wolf's Head, Blue Thunder, and Thunderbus do. Thunderbus battling all the way down the track to victory. Let's see how the Monster Mutts do on some jumps. Uh-oh, here comes the truck snatcher to get Mystery Mutter Monster Mutt Poodle. We hope Poodle is okay, just like Monster Mutt Dalmatian and Husky, who looked great coming down the track as they hit those green ramps. We normally race Spinmaster trucks, but for all you Hot Wheels fans, we'll race these Hot Wheels trucks on the yellow jump track. Crazy finishes from both of these trucks. Now let's test out Bigfoot and Megarex. Megarex lands in a wheelie. What a finish. Bigfoot pushes Megarex out of the way and takes the win here. We are loving the new track and its updates. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think about the new track. If you are here in the premiere, let us know in the live chat. If you missed this premiere, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Now guys, let's head indoors so we can share the next piece of content we worked on this week. Who gets unboxed? Today, we are at the indoor stadium that Little Chip created just for this challenge, where in the Bakugan Dragonoid, I, Chip Chocolate, will be taking on Little Chip in the Soldier Fortune Black Ops to determine which truck we will get to unbox. If I win today's challenge, we will get to unbox Rescue Ranger. If he wins today's challenge, we get to unbox 25th Anniversary Avenger. Who do you guys think we're going to get to unbox? I hope I win. Little Chip, are you ready to race?
Yes.
Oh, we almost forgot the rules, little Chip. There will be 1, 2,
3
races where the winner is the truck that traveled the farthest. Little Chip, are you ready to lose? I'm opening up Rescue Ranger for sure.
No, Dad. I'm opening up Avenger.
Let's find out. Race 1, here we go! Oh man!
You have to take the first win.
I'm gonna make a comeback here.
Soar, Dad. Yeah, soar.
It's race 2, Little Chip. Time for a comeback.
No, Dad.
Bakugan, you got blocked by the tires!
Yeah, we leave for the win.
Little Chip, you've won. Are you ready to unbox this truck?
Let's do one more race, Dad.
Well, for the last race, I'm changing my truck. I'm going with Earthshaker. The final race for fun. Let's go! Oh man, my truck got blocked from the tires again.
I get to unbox Avenger.
Let's get him out of the box. Get him out. Open it up.
Finally.
Nice. Congratulations on winning that challenge, Little Chip. Now we have in our collection Series 33 Avenger 25th Anniversary. Let's test him out on the track. Avenger 25th Anniversary, let's go! That was fun. Did you enjoy the content? Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next Who Gets Unboxed. Will it be my pick, Rescue Ranger, or will it be Little Chip's pick, Bad Habit? Who do you think will win the next Who Gets Unboxed, Little Chip?
Me.
Thanks for joining us today. See you guys at the next Who Gets Unboxed. Did you guys enjoy Who Gets Unboxed? Let us know in the comments below or live chat if you are at the premiere. Also, here are some of the other trucks we have for Who Gets Unboxed. Gravedigger the Legend from Series 32 and the Chase Piece from Series 33, Grease Trap. We also have from Mystery Murder Series 3, Max D and Son of a Digger. Which of these 6 trucks are you guys excited to see unboxed? Let us know in the comments below or live chat. Now let's move on to our final piece of content for today. Monster truck music. That's right, guys. Monster truck music, where we share a song or mixtape we made featuring some of the best non-copyright music from Epidemic Sound. This video will also feature footage of exclusive diecast monster truck content and maybe even some gaming content from us. Check it out, and once again, let us know in the comments below or live chat if you are at the premiere what you think about this content.
Everything will turn down.
How was the ride? Did you enjoy it? Let us know in the comments below or live chat if you are at the premiere. As always, we say thank you to you guys who support us and have subscribed to the channel. To show you our appreciation, we are extending the lineup for race day from 24 trucks to 28 trucks. You can now select, if you have not signed up, El Toro Loco Black, Gravedigger Green Ghost, Max D, or Megalodon Boneyard. Don't miss your opportunity to sign up for race day, guys. When is race day, you say? Race day will be on December 10th. That allows us enough time to properly record all the high-speed monster truck racing action, edit it, and post it to YouTube for you guys to enjoy. Once again, thank you, as always, for your support, and we will see you guys December 10th at Race Day.